How to cancel subscription on Google Play Store. If you want to cancel your Google subscription on your Play Store, maybe because you have got many subscriptions that you have taken from your Play Store or your Google account, all you have to do for that is you want to first of all make sure to launch the Google Play Store app. Tap on the profile icon that you can see from the very top right hand side of the screen right there, and once you tap on over there, you should be able to see this option right here that says payment and subscriptions. So of course you just want to go to the option that says payment and subscriptions, and from there at the very top you'll find an option that says subscriptions. So of course again what you have to do is simply go to the subscriptions option. Now when you're here on this page, you will be able to see a list of applications or any other services that you have subscribed or paid your money to, and from there on you should be able to select anyone. As you can see, I've already canceled one of my app subscription. You should be able to do the same. This way you'll be able to cancel subscription on Google Play Store. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.